Thank you for watching C++, unless you're a robot. This is part 3 of an ongoing series of the basics, of just some basic things for computer science you have to kind of understand before you start getting into actual coding. And I just wanted to point out in my last 2 videos, I've been talking mostly about the hardware aspects of everything and how it works, how computers work. And I'm just going to skip over the rest of most of this stuff in the first section of the book that I've been kind of taking things from, because it goes into a lot of things about diskettes and CDs and floppy disks, and a lot of this stuff is not really necessary to learn, or is kind of outdated. I did go over random access memory a bit and CPUs, but yeah, we're just going to kind of skip that part for right now. We're kind of talking about software again and operating systems from the first video. The operating system is how you actually talk to your computer, and this is done through DOS, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all these different standard operating systems you can find. And the operating system itself is actually a program, the most important program on your computer. And you can think of it kind of like a controller. When you're playing PlayStation or whatever you're using a controller for, the controller itself is programmed, but it is the only way to access all the other programs on your system. So you could think of the controller as kind of an operating system. It's the chief program that tells every other program what to do. And a program is again a set of instructions for a computer to follow. So this set of instructions kind of just tell the main operating system is the very first set of instructions that allocates resources to tell the rest of your programs what to do. So if you think of a very, very simple program, you can think about remotes. Probably the simplest program of all. So a program is just a set of instructions where you have a program and the data. So the program is said to be running on the data. If you give the computer both a program to follow and some data, the program is said to be running on the data. And then the computer executes the program on the data. Now, the remote is not a computer, but it is still a very simple program. If you imagine for a second that this TV remote is a computer. We gave the computer a set of data and a program to run, which was very simple. All they had to do was turn on once I click this button. So it took the input, it recognized what to do inside the computer through the operating system, and then the output is that on the monitor it is now displaying the program that is running. Except it's not exactly how it works with TVs.